The façade of the post office is not merely decorative. It is almost like a poster of the scientific age of the 19th century. At its center stands Hermes, the messenger god in Greek mythology. Along the façade are the names of scientists such as Franklin and Volta, pioneers who helped unlock the power of electricity. The building was initiated by architect Alfred Fauhu and later completed by Villiers. Its symmetrical façade and central clock give a government building the appearance of something almost sacred, a cathedral of communication. Inside, the steel arches open wide like the great European train stations of the late 19th century. Above the hall are two large maps. The first is a record of the city's urban structure in the late 19th century. The second is the telegraph network spreading across Indochina. These maps were not simply decoration. They were maps of power, infrastructure, and connection. In 1945, when Japan took control of Indochina, one of the first important targets was the communication system, because in war, weapons have limits, but information does not. In the decades that followed, the letters passing through this place carry more than just news. Some were letters from the battlefield, some were administrative orders, some were messages from the other side of the world. And then, as the city history moved into another chapter, the wooden counters remained, the steel arches remained, because infrastructure rarely carries political ideals. It only does one thing: keeping the city running.